Hello everyone. This video will demonstrate how you can access the OrangeHRM HELP portal. This portal is an extremely useful resource that will be helpful if you want to know about the OrangeHRM product features. There are two ways you can access the HELP portal. Firstly, by clicking the HELP icon, which is shown here. This HELP icon is synchronized with relevant HELP articles in the HELP portal. The other method of accessing our HELP portal is by directly accessing the URL help.orangehrm.com, where you can search for and read articles, videos, and FAQs. So let's now go to the HELP portal. As an example, if you want to know how to add employees to the system, in the search bar, you can simply type in the question and hit search. The main page of the HELP portal is categorized with subsections for articles, videos, FAQs, user guides, tips, announcements, and new features. The articles extensively describe how a specific product feature works. You may also refer to the videos to see a demo of how the feature works. Under the FAQ section, you can see frequently asked questions. The user guides contain detailed information which you can refer to regarding how you can use the system as a supervisor or ESS user and the accessibility levels available for each role. If there are new announcements from OrangeHRM, those are captured under this Announcements tab. Every quarter, OrangeHRM release new features or improvements to the current product, and these new features are captured under the System Features tab. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please contact us at info@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.